Alright, we just had a brownout. Some of the machines shut down and some of them didn't. You can see we're making Ford ovals here with this 610 ton injection molding machine. Let's go to temperature. See the temperatures, it's not reading correctly. We try to turn on barrel heats, we've got nothing. Got servo but no barrel heats. First thing I'm going to try to do is power it off and restart it. There's only one breaker on this machine. Now, not all 610 ton Toshiba machines are exactly identical. There are slight differences, it seems like. Even if you order two right around the same time, you may get two slightly different machines in. Alright, I had to restart it twice. The first time I got the white screen of death, like what you just saw right there. It's booting up right now. We can get barrel heats. No. Okay. Heater power is off. Show that again. So you get a flashing LED. It says heater power is off. Alright. Go back to the side here. There's three panels. The center one here with these vents is the one I'm going to remove. There's 4 screws, one in each corner. It's just like a truss head screw. Just a 4mm Allen wrench. So with the panel removed, you can see the contactors for the heater bands on the barrels. Normally these things would be clicking and moving. They're not. And above are the breakers. You can see they're all in the upright position. Take a closer look at this one right here. See how I can move that? And I can't move that. I can't move that one. Cycle it off and cycle it back on, we should be able to get power to the barrel heat. So we've got to put the cover back on because there's a safety switch that prevents power from going to the machine. Just turn the power back on, get everything back up, and once we've got a screen, we can check to see if the barrel heats come on. Come back up to the panel here. You can see no heat. We get a solid green LED. There's nozzle heat. Give it just a little bit of time. There we go. go. All the barrel heats are engaging. They'll cycle off and on until it gets up to temperature.